Kids, welcome to the online class. Before starting the class, let's do the prayer. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. In the previous class, we have learnt about vowel O phonic drill. We have learnt in the previous class. Today we are going to see about vowel U phonic drill. Okay. Today the last vowel U phonic drill we are going to see. Okay. Let's see now. Okay kids, in the vowel U phonic drill we are going to see two letter groups, two letter words with the letters. We will make a three letter groups which are vowel U phonic drill. Let's see one by one. Okay. U-T. At. U-T. Sound is, phonic sound is, U is a T. At. So, first is C-U-T. What is it? C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. We will cut vegetables, right? From the knife. So, it is cut. C-U-T. Cut. Next is H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. We will find huts in villages, right? H-U-T. Hut. Okay. Next. N-U-T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. It is N-U-T. Nut. Okay. Let's see another two letter groups. Okay. Next two letter group is U-G. Ugh. 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 What is this sound? Ugh. So H-U-G. Hug. H-U-G. Hug. Your parents will hug, right? So this is hug. H-U-G. Hug. Okay. H-U-G. Hug. Next B-U-G. Bug. It's an insect. B-U-G. Bug. It's an insect. Bug. Next M-U-G. Mug. From mug we'll take bath, right? We'll wash our faces using mug. So it is mug. M-U-G. Mug. Next J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Jug will fill water and will drink, right? In the jug will fill water. So it is jug. Hug, bug, mug, jug. What are the words from group 2 U-G we have? Hug, bug, mug and jug. Okay, let's see now next two letter group. Two letter group is U-N. Un. What is it sound? U-N. Un. So here B-U-N. What is the word B-U-N? Bun. We'll eat bun, right? Bun. B-U-N. Bun. Okay. B-U-N. Bun. Second. G-U-N. Gun. What is it? G-U-N. Gun. Okay. G-U-N. Gun. Next. R-U-N. Run. Running. Okay. R-U-N. Run. Next. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun in the sky. Okay. S-U-N. Sun. What we have from U-N letter group? We have bun. B-U-N. Bun. Run. Sun. Gun. What are the words we have? Bun. Run. Sun. Gun. Okay. Next two letter group we are going to. Okay. Next two letter group is U-B. Up. What is it? U-B. Up. What is it? C-U-B. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. The tiger baby is called as cub. Okay. Tiger baby is called cub. C-U-B. Cub. Next. T-U-B. Tub. T-U-B. Tub. What is it? T-U-B. Tub. Okay. Next we are going to see now. This is vowel U phonic drill, kids. In the reader we are going to see now reader word. It is vowel U phonic drill. You have to read these pictures and send your video. Okay kids? Let's read now. First, what she is doing? She is cutting the vegetable. So, C-U-T. Cut. What I said? C-U-T. Cut. Next. H-U-T. Hut. What is it? H-U-T. Hut. Next is nut. N-U-T. Nut. Next we have bug. B-U-G. Bug. It's an insect. Next. Pug. It's a dog, pug. We will call it as pug also. P-U-G, pug. Next, hug. Mother is hugging the child. So it is a hug. H-U-G, hug. Next, it is a jug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. It is M-U-G, mug. Next, what it is picture? Bun. B-U-N, bun. Next is gun. G-U-N, gun. What he is doing? He is running. So R-U-N, run. It is sun. S-U-N, sun. Next, cub. C-U-B, cub. T-U-B, tub. L-U-G, lug. T-U-G, tug. Okay. Next, we are going to see the what they have given the activity. Let's see the what they have given. Circle the rhyming words in each set. How we have done previous, like that only you have to do. You have to see the rhyming words and circle that one. Okay, I'll read and I'll show you one or two examples. What it is gun. G-U-N, gun. This is can. C-A-N, can. This is pug. P-U-G, pug. Next, B-U-N, bun. Gun, bun are rhyming words. Gun and bun are rhyming words. U-N, U-N. Okay, you'll see, right? So, bun and gun are rhyming words. Next, what it is lop. L-O-P, lop. H-U-T, hut. H-E-N, hen. C-U-T, cut. So, hut and cut are the rhyming words. Next, J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. N-I-B, nib. W-I-N, win. Okay, J-U-G, jug. So, you have to jug and mug are rhyming words. You have to circle these two. Okay, these two you have to circle. Next, N-U-N, none. T-U-G, tug. C-A-R, car. L-U-G, lug. So, tug and lug are rhyming words. These two you have to circle. Next, C-U-B, cup. B-O-X, box. T-U-B, tub. R-U-G, rug. So, what it will come? It will be cup and tub. Cup and tub are rhyming words.